What's going on, YouTube? Hey, it's been a while. I'm sorry. Forgive me for my absence, my tardiness in bringing out another video. It's been a few weeks, but yeah, I've been grinding. COVID kind of spared the hazmat load that I was on for a while, but then I think it caught up with us. So everything got real slow at work, and I was kind of stressing out about money and that kind of stuff. Kind of like, man, we kind of have plans, you know, this year we've got plans, we've got big plans. And yeah, so to not have work, you know, I think I worked 4 days a week for a number of weeks in a row. So just, you know, losing out on that revenue when you are an owner operator or a lease operator, you know, you need to kind of have a pretty good, decent high revenue in order for the truck to profit enough for you to, you know, take enough home to provide for your family and maybe even get ahead a little bit. And so anyway, we kind of got slow there, but just in the nick of time, the ag season in California started, and we started doing some grape loads, wine grapes. And so we are hauling loads for the largest wine producer in the world, Gallo Wine, and pretty much we've just been running as hard as we can for as long as we can, all within the law. All right, paper logs are legit and all legal. All right, DOT officers, if you're spying, we are legal. But anyway, been running as hard as we can just because the season's short, and we got the opportunity to pick up a bunch of these loads, a few of us hazmat guys, and so we just slid over onto the two axles. We slid our, doubles trailers. We slid our fifth wheels back, got onto those doubles trailers, and we've just been running as hard as we can. And so it's kind of fun, but I've been getting really tired, really delirious, and so I started sending videos, just little clips to my friends and to my wife, and just being silly. And anyway, so it gave me the idea that, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna put this together as kind of my first quarter probably of the grape season video. There's not a lot of footage about grapes, but there is some conversation about grapes. But I'm totally gassed right in the morning. You know, when you're going on 4 hours sleep, you know, too many days in a row, it catches up with you. I'm more of a 6 to 7 hours of sleep kind of a guy. So when I start doing 4 on consecutive nights, I start getting loopy, guys. Just straight loopy, a little nutso. And so, yeah, that's what these little video clips are. Just clips I sent to my wife, clips I sent to my friends. Me being silly, just me being completely delirious. And then, yeah, there's some karaoke. I mean, why not? Maybe not karaoke, but sing along in the truck. And I might start a new channel. So tell me, guys, what you think. Tell me, guys. Tell you guys. Tell me what you think. If I should start a channel that's just me driving and singing. Because I do it anyway, so it would be really easy to just record myself singing away, which is what I did. A few different clips in the video. And so yeah, anyway, I'm just going to show you guys, this is what grape season looks like for me, the wine grape season. And yeah, if you guys have never done any ag work, there's special hours of service laws and exemptions, and it's a different type of trucking, and it takes a really hard-working person and some dedication and a little bit of craziness to make some money. But I'm just crazy enough, and just enough hardworking, and probably just dumb enough to really, you know, give it a go during this ag season. So anyway, yeah, I'll go ahead and let it roll. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment below, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. All right, talk to you guys later. problem. Because there are way too many grape loads out here. Way too many. I'm getting crazy. I'm driving myself insane doing all these loads. So take this job and shut it. I ain't working here no more. Woman done left and took all the reasons I was working for. You better not try to stand in my way as I'm walking out the door. Take this job and shut it. I ain't working here no more. Quick question. If a grape that's been dehydrated is called a raisin, if you hydrate a grape, is it called a lowering? I woke up, my baby was gone. Without her, don't need no home. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. So I got this idea, a grape laxative, and we call it grape poupon. Dances with switches, turn them on. Pour salt on these slugs. Just practicing for my Ice Road Trucker audition here. Think I can do it. Yeah. Whoa! I almost sunk. Woo! Breaking through the ice. Okay, we made it across. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you played, you would always win. So I set fire to the rain, watch it burn in the days when I feel, when I cry, 'cause I'm learning, screaming out your name.